Let me teach you people something. If they ever handcuff you, and you don't know how to remove it, please don't try this thing. If police arrest you, na crime, oh, no try it. I am only teaching this thing because I just want to, if kidnappers hold you or bandits hold you, this is what you are going to do. And they can't handcuff you like this. Are you getting me now? Now, there's nothing what you do now where this thing will come out. I just want to teach you now how you can open handcuff now with Coke and the broomstick. Don't try this. I repeat, don't try this. If the police handcuff you, don't try this. Just watch. This is very simple technique. If you ever find yourself handcuffed, just do this thing. You see these two places now. You know that this place now, that is where this thing is winding from. Pour this Coke inside here. Pour it, is dropping. This is a fine babe. Imagine say this babe now is in the hand of kidnappers or bandits. You just do this thing. If there's anywhere you can get Coke, don't try to break this thing, because the more you break it, the more it lock. The more you struggle, the more you lock. So just pour this in like this. Pour it. Don't do this in. It will be reducing the stuff. That is the pressure. Not pressure. Even they call that thing. Somebody help me hold this. Hold this. Now, bring broomstick like this. Don't try this if police handcuff you. Bring 2 broomsticks like this. Put one here. Put one here. Put the other one here. Do you see? It's tight. Break it. Put another one here. You see what you got? Do you hear the sound? Kaka kaka. Put it like this. This broomstick, it look like not original one. So just hold on. But wait, the policeman that own this handcuff will not take it lightly with you. But now we will just call the policeman on phone to bring the key.
Don't you talk.